So here it is. I am here at Lowe's trying to buy a water heater because my original water heater for my house finally gave up its ghost and started leaking. I'm the original owner of the house. So it's been with me for a good 22 years. So I found out that Home Depot has the same brand as the one that I have at home. A.O. Smith. Basically, this is a 50-gallon natural gas tank. It's the same, not the exact model, but similar, but it's the same brand. So this one has a gash in here, so I don't know if there's any hard handling, but it's designed for 5+ people. There's a tank guard, advanced tank protection, extends water heater life, and warranty for 9 years. My original one lasted 22 years, so a good deal. So there's another one there. I'm gonna pull the other one out, and I'm gonna be buying it. So here at Lowe's, as it is, it's $8.79, and we're gonna buy this unit right now. Okay, so here it is. Well, found out that this thing is rated at 40,000 BTU, and for 1 hour it can deliver up to 84 gallons. So tomorrow morning we're gonna be installing this into my house. So I'm here at my house. This is the bad boy I just bought yesterday, so I'm going to show you how it looks like inside, how I am prepping to remove my water heater over there. Let's go inside. So if you look at here, this is my water hose. I am currently draining the water heater here. I've shut off the gas supply here. That's the gas shut-off supply. And this is what I'm doing here. I've shut off the water supply to the water heater here. You can see here it's pretty dirty. This is all the dust that has accumulated over 23 years that I've owned this house. So I'm the original homeowner. So this is the original brand, A.O. Smith. And I bought another of the same brand, hopefully to replace this bad boy right here. So my plan is I'm going to be removing this nut right here, that nut right here. I'm going to be removing this as well. And once that's done, remove the flue here, and release the earthquake straps here, down here as well. So this is just my video log, and to show you that anybody with a common sense can go a long way. So yeah, that's what's going down here. You can see the water here, it's just dripping, and it's dripped all the way down underneath my stuff here. So good thing this is a concrete floor like most garages. So we'll wait till the water comes empties, and then we can move to the next step. So here I am removing this nut right here. This is where the water comes in. I've already switched the water supply off. So now I'm going to remove this side of the line here. This is where the hot water enters my house. So okay guys, so I've removed the nut here. This part right here, this is the inlet or outlet. This is where the cold water comes in to be heated. And this is where the hot water goes back into the house. There. So right here is like a pressure switch right here. In case there's so much pressure here, this thing goes psh, and it goes into here, it gets released to the outside. So also I've connected the water hose down there. Okay, and I've been releasing water. I've shut off the gas, which is a must. That's a gas valve. So here I am just trying to remove this bad boy right here. This flue right here, basically I could just lift this off after doing a couple of thing rearrangement here. There as well. So let me remove this whole bad boy outfit out, and we shall go on from here. Once this is done, all of this is disconnected. Disconnect this, the earthquake strap, and this thing should just come undone, which is a pretty easy job. So let's do this. We can do it. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be removing this gas line from the controller here so that I can remove the whole unit here. Okay, let's remove this too. This is what we've done so far. We've just removed the base of the bad boy here from underneath here. We dropped it down. So right now we're gonna be using the dolly to transport this outside through the side yard. So guys, so this is what we're doing. We've removed the old water heater. Now we have the new water heater here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this thing up on the perch here, and hopefully we're not gonna throw this off or it falls on the ground or something like that. So that's what we're doing. Okay. So slowly, okay? Slow. Okay, slow, 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 slow. Can you make it any farther? Slow.
Dad, you're gonna have to support it more.
Huh?
Is it in?
Okay. All right. It's in. All right. So we're gonna do that side. So now the hard part is connecting everything up there. We're gonna connect the cold water side first because it's obviously dripping. Then we're gonna connect the hot water side, and then we're gonna connect all the gas line here back to over here. Guys, so we got this thing back on its perch. So now what we're gonna do here is we are tightening the hot line here, and then after that we're gonna tighten this cold line here. This is all common sense. So, all right, guys. So this is what I did to it. It's not the neatest job, but this is just a relief valve for high pressure. So it'll come out straight to here to out where it was designed for. So down here, basically I'm doing everything, putting everything back the way it was. This thing goes right here, and then this thing goes right here, and then this thing goes that way. And then this is the gas line right here. I'm going to reuse the gas line, but here I am using this sealant here to seal the gas lines here, and that's what I have to do. Okay, so show you how it looks like after I'm done. Okay, so I put a little bit of the sealant here on this thing. So I'm going to put this right here. And this is where the pipe tube, the pipe wrench comes in handy. Okay guys, so I bubble tested this and nothing's leaking. So I've turned, I followed the instruction and put this thing on pilot and then continue pressing the light ignition button here for about 3 minutes, one time every second, and then this thing start to light up. And this is supposed to light up once every 3 seconds. So it's doing that. So once it starts to light up, flash once every 3 seconds, I turned this to the temperature that I like. So here I'm turning this to very, very hot, and right now, as it is, you can see the fire in there. Okay, it's lit. So right now, everything's looking good, and yeah, fun time. And then I'm gonna climb up there, and I'm gonna make sure that nothing's leaking. All right. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys. I actually had a lot of fun doing this project. Guys, so everything is done. The thing here is braced, and we're calling it a night.